Hey everyone, Joey here, and currently I'm outside 11th Street and the beach because I heard that the beach erosion over here caused a massive cliff. That's right. Pretty much what that means is that when the erosion came in, it ate into the sand dunes. So the sand dunes, instead of being a smooth half circle, got cut in half and it just drops right down. I just want to share it with you guys because it's really strange to see on the beach. Now before I do, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's do this. So now, as you can see, this is the top of the dune, and it goes all the way down there. It shows you that the erosion over here is severe. Now, I do know that North Wildwood does have a plan to extend that bulkhead that's all the way down there, pretty much all the way down here to kind of save the property line. I don't know when that's going to happen, but it's going to take some time. But isn't this creepy? Look at this. Absolutely insane. Looks like the Grand Canyon a little bit from this angle. But now I do have to tell you guys that you should not be playing anywhere near these dunes whatsoever. It is extremely dangerous. We're at a spot where luckily it's not as bad, but there's some people playing on the dunes down there, and I asked them not to because I'm going to zoom in for you guys. It really is like an 18-foot drop. You shouldn't be on the dunes to begin with, but it's just not safe for you to be playing on these. And to give you an idea at the height of it, I'm 5'3.5", don't forget that half, and this is where it's at, and as you can tell, it goes up there, and there's my wife up there. So, I mean, depending on the height, it looks like it could be anywhere from 12 feet to 15, and this is not even the highest one. If you come down here a little bit, it's even higher, even higher. It's like 2.5 size of me. I'm gonna walk a little bit down the beach to kind of show you more of the scale of how big these cliffs are. Now, as you know, there will definitely be some kind of beach replenishment come this spring, but with nor'easters forecasted in the upcoming weeks, it's going to get battered a little bit more. Hopefully we'll be back to give you guys more pictures and videos of what it looks like. It really is sad to see your favorite beach be ripped apart, but it is Mother Nature. The reason why the barrier islands were here to begin with weren't for us to live on, was so that it could absorb any kind of storm so that the inland, or pretty much the main state, would be fine. But as scary as this looks, this is pretty much normal now these days. But I want to thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. I want to thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you later. See you on the beach. Bye.